In today's video, we're going to break down the difference between a journal entry and an expense in QuickBooks and help you understand when to use each one. Let's start with journal entries. A journal entry is a manual accounting transaction. It's mainly used for adjustments, transfers, or other non-routine activities in your books. Think of it as a flexible tool for accountants or anyone familiar with financial records. You can assign accounts, add categories, include memos, attach files, and even import transactions from other software. Journal entries are perfect for things like depreciation, corrections, or reclassifying transactions. On the other hand, expenses are much more straightforward. They record the day-to-day spending of your business, like paying bills, buying supplies, or reimbursing employees. In QuickBooks, expenses are entered using built-in forms, where you choose the payment account, date, method, and category. You can also add detailed descriptions, attach receipts, and track every dollar spent. Expenses directly affect your expense accounts and are simpler to manage than journal entries. So in short, use journal entries for manual, complex adjustments and expenses for regular business spending. Your choice depends on your comfort level, the type of transaction, and the level of detail you need in your records. And that's the difference between journal entries and expenses in QuickBooks. Understanding this will help you keep your books organized and accurate. And that's a wrap. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.